Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to my RC Construction Projects channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. And I know it's been a while, and I keep trying to make some time to give to this hobby, but I just haven't had much. However, my project on building or converting, upgrading, whatever the proper term is, my Huina dump truck from being just pure electric and stock to hydraulic, and it's coming along. I've been working on it for quite a while, and I've had a ton of setbacks and many challenges to overcome. And right now I believe I have the right combination of things. So I'm running it through, I guess pretty much its last stage of DT&E, which would be development, test, and evaluation. And today I'm going to work on seeing how it tests to see how it works under a load. I have my lights hooked up. I'm going to have headlights and taillights on it. It's far from a perfect machine. It's kind of a Frankenstein. There's two ESCs in there. One where I use the pump to lift and lower the bed, and the other ESC is for the other electronics, the motor, the lights, the steering. And so I am close. If it goes through these tests well, then I will take it apart, clean it, and then put it back together in a more permanent fixture or configuration. Right now, I'm just holding some things together just to see if it works. All right, and I get to do a little bit of digging here. It's probably going to be a short video, but I've not put any out, and I can just share with all those who will listen. Just keep the faith. There's been some difficult times that I've had to face, but I've decided that I'm going to hold on to my faith and keep working on doing the next right thing. And I tell you, it's been tough. It has really, really been tough, and I'm not through it yet. But I had some time to give to this, and I'm curious to see how well the truck operates today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, I reciprocate and will check out your material and subscribe to yours. Well, I got a lot of ring rust and not handling my equipment, but it's fun, and I'm just enjoying this little bit of time that I have now. nice good load on there and see how this dump. This is a strong dump. Got a really good pump. Probably could use one a lot weaker and get good results, but I went with what I had. And the big thing for this one example is how will I convert my other truck, because I have another Huina, and you have to almost totally be on smooth ground to get the stock, the original ones, to work. This will go over rough terrain, and it will lift a heavy load. My part. I've got to work on my operating, but that was okay. Let's try another load. Not good. Okay, this time I think I'll work on dumping a little bit more sideways, just so we can see it from that angle. Okay, when that happens, I realize I've got made too much weight on my front tire. That I've got to develop more clearance for the front tire. I mean, I can move it, but I don't need to have it rubbing like that. It's something I'm gonna have to work on. Okay, good. That's what testing is for. I'm going to put automatic shutoffs on here for up and down, especially up. Yeah, I can shoot it up real quick, so yeah, put an automatic shutoff on that, and when it's down. Okay, one more load and we'll go on and call it a night for the testing. I'll clean up the equipment. Try to write down some notes while I'm still thinking about it. Should have brought my notebook in here with me. I haven't worked my excavators in a while, so it's good to get some time back on the stick. Sounds like I need to go on and charge up that battery or put another one in it. I think I'm going to cut those lights out on the back of the 336. Put a couple of real lights in here. Look at all of this soil in here. I removed a lot of it and used it in the yard, but most of this soil is almost all of it is moved by the equipment. I love having the equipment actually work. It's not the prettiest, obviously, but I like for it to be functional. The plan is still to put a man cave down here. Gonna do another kind of sideways dump. See how the truck works. I have a 2-speed motor in there. And this is actually the working gear here. Now I cannot do that with the in its original configuration. So I can see that once I make some more adjustments and button it up in its permanent configuration, I might need to put a new motor in there. I have Frankenstein parts of 2 motors in there, and I don't know, the gear compatibility doesn't seem like it's what it should be. However, I may buy a new one and then take my time and really put together a second and hopefully a third one and have a few good ones, because again, I have another truck like this that I need to modify. So thank you very much. Please like, please subscribe, and God bless you. I have been speaking with a few folks lately that have been having a difficult time in life, and to be frank with you, so have I. But you know what? I believe in God, and I always hope everyone will. I think it's the best way. If not, believe in you. Believe in the goodness around you. Believe in something greater than yourself and someone greater than yourself. And don't give up. Don't give out. Don't give in. When the going gets tough, the tough turn pro. I kind of like that little poem. Hard work pays off. Dreams come true. Bad times don't last. Bad men do. And so I just, if there's anyone that has a heavy heart, I just want to encourage you, if you're going through a difficult time, keep going through it. Don't get stuck in it. God bless you. I hope to see you again soon with another video and the latest update and upgrade on my truck. Right now the steering has gone out for some reason, so I have to go on and pull it apart, take a look at what's going on with that servo. Hope to see you again soon. God bless you. Take care.